news.
Yes. There's a
breaking news.
There's a breaking news.
And you may say the breaking news, but I'm okay, so there's a breaking news.
There's a breaking news.
I didn't know so.
Unim
Parliament anahin.
Yes. Unim from the NDC, from the camp of the NDC.
Mamitio.
Joana Gyan Cudjoe.
Joana Gyan Cudjoe.
Yes.
Na now.
Amenfi Central.
Penay my why. Peno. Yenay my
Joana Gyan Cudjoe. Amenfi keche obonyo ne yere.
Oh.
Amenfi Central.
Our foundation
candidate, yes.
Oh, our foundation B.
Yes.
And I know that
87.9 Kumasi.
Oh,
yes. Menoka say secondary high court. Aka say if free ne echo. A man named friend who parliamentary candidate bill
what?
It is a when to me and petition year. And when to me appeal year, we have an appellate. When to me and year, just say
sorry. Oh, 1 year.
Yes.
Very young lady,
yes.
member of parliament.
Tamoye na say obeko parliament and obepre obeko parliamentary elections. Obabantema ha. But petitions be sa
Mekai.
Me and farmer no and call a year Western region. Amenfi Central with me winning as the parliamentary candidate on the ticket of the NDC. I mean, man for petition court. It's me no kasa idea. And then secondary high court say Joana Gyan Cudjoe, a man on friend who parliamentary candidate for the NDC. Ewa Amenfi Central ebiu. Omo che say ni voters ID card on them from so.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
And then from so ni voter ID card.
The document now. What I mean use this. I mean can this way. The document now the file ya. Okay, or call contest. My tone so about no. The document no or 4J. That is Anna High Court worker.
Wow.
Yes.
A free ne.
A more friend who parliamentary candidate bill for the NDC. And you ruling a secondary high court no the aba.
So that means that on to me sound contested.
That is say they obey appeal.
Okay.
Appeal now far.
Obey my appeal. Yes. and a bit my likely say appeal no obey no may even go beyond this year's election.
Yes, that you see adeba kwa ehunye. Die ehunye. Minim da yisi ebe nomination. I'll buy for betimi akopeke nomination form. Say true ho. And I say ebe ben ho. Na se sra na asem no. Omuntimi nkan ya. NDC will have to hold another primaries in term.
Oh, but Evans, so look at this. We are court ruling about you know. 2020 elections, right?
2024 elections are
no, meba. They say or a member of parliament.
Or a member of parliament.
Or we need primaries no.
Or person or parliament. Or Amenfi Central constituency. And a court and say the primaries no call no winnie no. The documents now they call primaries no.
Oh, so this is where more or less an internal party issue.
Yes.
Inti a party
a
banner they call court.
Yes.
Wow.
Yes. It is when they say minim da elect yisi ebe nomination. Say yisi be nomination that's be a ben when that's still na asem no. Omuntimi come and see my court on clear no. The NDC will be forced to do another primaries. Ewo ho. Na omayi candidate or ye legible or sorry I say to contest or the ticket of the NDC for a year Amenfi Central constituency seat no. And Kobane Sadia. That's a kohange hodia. It means that NDC will not have a candidate for Amenfi Central constituency. Until now,
I was for my Facebook page. That's Joana Gyan Cudjoe for Amenfi Central.
Yeah, we catch it. No, Nancy, I'm saying catch a crowd. Okay, catch an animal. We are Nancy no NC.
Akoma FM.
Hey.
87.9 Kumasi.
And the party banner are filing this against her.
Yeah.
Hey.
Oh, so we're normal. Normal. But time we need NDC for Africa.
Hey, serious.
The party will have to take a decision on this.
Second High Court.
Second year. The media say Yami Adoma at church and the party will take a decision on this. And you be so biano. You may for
so Nipa, I'm told say Nipa NDC, 5 members of the NDC.
And the court.
Led by one Jedu Frimpong.
Nom the court.
Yes. Na omo allege say we used to fake and unqualified documents.
Absolutely.
And on the contest here.
Sabe pepe. Say me canon.
Hey. So you see ruling no Osha Justice Jan Konto. As so I share the party. And the commission. So beyond on one kasano. Almost share the party. And the electoral commission said Emma Omo allow the first defendant na Joana no.
Yeah.
To deal with any recognized or afforded any right or privileges as a duly elected parliamentary candidate.
Yes.
In this case, electoral commission crown no ebie said there will be a nomination. Ontimi pick forms. Yee. Amenfi Central. Okay, so this is Yabema ye for one share Facebook. And so I share the ruling no I buy no.
Ye for share.
Yes, a copy of it. But on Facebook share the my share for my na
over Facebook
share.
That's the only way. One man share exclusive near Famba.
Yeah.
Honestly. So one share mo be so entie bia. Exclusives no breaking news no. Ye mfama mo. So yes, ye be say o mo share. Wo share. I don't know a ginger emi dey exclusives in bro. So yes, it share the link. Share the link.
Hey. So nipa amode asem no call court no Evans omuni Jedu Frimpong. Akudibila Daniel. Enoch Ntiako. Isaac Chum. And Doris Edu.
Yes.
Omuni nipa numu a omde asem no call court.
Yes.
Na the first defendant Joana
Cudjoe.
Second defendant the National Democratic Congress.
Definitely the third defendant be easy.
The Electoral Commission. Enti amay adena bom. Enti we no fa be emfa.
Say it make sense because a year primaries na a course no. NDC and a year primaries no. Omo supervise ye and omo conduct a primaries no. Electoral Commission. So they are saying Joana Gyan Cudjoe is known because of NDC. Joana Gyan Cudjoe is known as the PC because of what
the process electoral commission go through.
Ensure say by way of the process.
Anyway, Evans, we say how do we move forward? I agree with the commission that omo be advance to the point maybe a Ghana card ne be boyen so that once o file with documents
na kuta Ghana
card you betimi anya details no data ni nyina hwe whether say kuta any other
I mean me who say party has a role to play here who say MPP kete kumawu
who was that?
Edward lawyer.
Yeah.
Lawyer Edward, a former GPHA. Ghana for the Harbour Authority Managing Director. Because on none in that so in say. And that is what they do.
Say
or her say ade etimi bi ti o mo say we denounce citizenship you have a period of time where abrofo no will either accept or reject. It's here say about 6 months or so. It will calculate some months no ne time will be a be nomination so
election
and you open nomination you can say one file here. It will time will be a be file here also we be timi afa. So that's any BT sa former Boko Central is it Akande or one the late
Sakande
any BT no. So that's it. Tamwa file ye Adamu yeah Tamwa file ye so the file ye to no so abaye bibia mo wini ye no na unya ne certificate affirm say indeed he has denounced his citizenship. So that's
Evans so opportunity
yes party nankasa na ewo dwumadi
to file for
was some ye due diligence and some allow certain individuals to contest
an appeal.
Yes. Oh, an opportunity to file for an appeal.
Yes. Na yahwedi be kwa that is the breaking news.
But don't say court case there. Sometimes we give you say now the party no will be looking at it. I mean with two eyes. She say they will be opting for Charlie Yempese Ibi Abeba. Why don't you?
So let's go this way.
Go this way. Yes, and hold another primaries you ho. So that's it. We got quarter 7 there.
Well,
the
no, even the party can decide to nominate or appoint someone.
Yes,
it's a process.
The of justice.
Obetimaka say no. Ebi aye to abani bi ekra no. Nipa oba second yeman nko. Very simple. Because I just on so route of party of constituency. Nti eno ye de Evans kakra on the economy. Go kaso
unse minim say ne ye enimbi from better na bi. Who share MPP 2020. In fact,